Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB with me, Richard here. Today we are looking at this question. It says that consider the setup below of electrolysis of sodium chloride using graphite electrodes. So this is what we are having. We're having this energy source here, and we have the electrode B and we have electrode A. Yeah, that's the case. And the question says, what is the name given to concentrated sodium chloride? Yeah, concentrated sodium chloride. What's the name given to it? We call it brine. Yeah, what is the common name of sodium chloride salt? Yeah, what do you call sodium chloride salt? We call it table salt. Yeah, right. Yeah, then this question comes. It says that write the equation for the dissociation of sodium chloride in water. Yeah, what is it? Okay, this is what you have to know. That if sodium chloride is in water, we have a Q aqueous here. So on dissociation, what do we have? We have sodium ions, which are also aqueous, plus chloride ions, which are also aqueous. So that's the equation for dissociation of aqueous sodium chloride. Yeah, then this question comes. It says that write half reaction responsible for the formation of gas C. Yeah, this is the gas we are talking about here. Okay. Yeah, and what is gas C? The truth is that we don't know it. But how do we find out which gas is C? You start from here. Now, this gas here, it is clearly labeled, it's colorless. So the clue lies on this. So what do we know? This is what you have to know, that when sodium chloride is electrolyzed, it dissociates to give you sodium ions and chloride ions. Now, chloride ions become oxidized to give you chlorine gas. Now, there is a situation here. Instead of sodium, water is the one which is reduced. And reduction of water leads to the formation of hydrogen. Hydrogen gas is colorless. So this is the gas we are talking about. Colorless gas is hydrogen. And this gas is chlorine. Now, how do we answer the question? So gas C is chlorine. And what is the reaction responsible for formation of chlorine? We have chloride ions, which move to the electrode. It becomes oxidized to give you chlorine gas. Then from here, what do we do? You balance by putting a 2 here, and then you put the responsible electrons, which we put here. They are how many? They are 2. So what you have here is the reaction responsible for the formation of gas C. Gas C is chlorine. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says that write half reaction responsible for formation of colorless gas X. Like we said before, the sodium ions, which are cations, they move to cathode. But preferentially, it is water which is reduced. So what we are writing here is the reduction of water. So what are you having? We are having water. Actually, it's two waters dissociating to give you hydroxide ions and hydrogen gas. Okay. Then we need to know how many electrons are involved. So you have to balance by putting a 2 here. And from there, you can now tell that 2 electrons are involved. And where do you put them? We put them this side. So it's going to be plus 2 electron, giving you that. So what you have here is the equation responsible for formation of the colorless gas. And what's the colorless gas here? It is this hydrogen. Hydrogen is the colorless gas we are talking about here. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that write the name and the chemical formula of colorless gas X. Yeah, what is it? We say it's hydrogen. That's the name. And the formula is H2. It is a diatomic molecule. Okay. Then gas C. Gas C, we said it was chlorine. And what's the formula? Cl2. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that write the net reaction for the cell above. Okay. Yeah, what is the net reaction here? To write the net reaction, you need to know the half reactions. Okay. First of all, we said it is chloride ions which become oxidized to give you chlorine gas. You balance, and then this one gives you the number of electrons involved, which you put here. So this is the reaction taking place at anode. Okay. Then at cathode, what do we say? We say the water was reduced to give you 2 hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Okay. Now the net reaction is obtained by adding these 2 reactions. And what do we get here? We cancel electrons, and you get 2 chloride ions plus 2 water, giving you chlorine, plus 2 hydroxide, and plus 2 plus hydrogen gas. Okay, this is the net. It's advisable that when the question comes about net and you write it like this one, you cross out this, because at a times examiner is too busy. You might think this is the net. So this is what we do. You cross out the working and you have your net. Now, there's one question which normally accompanies here. It says that state the change in pH of the electrolyte. Okay, when that question comes, you look at this. And what is that one? That one is hydroxide. They are basic in nature. So it means that the solution or the electrolyte turns basic. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet with me, Richard here. Well, we urge you to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. Yes, we believe we are the best. Stick with us. See you next time. Bye bye.